If you want to insert a memory card or microSD card into Realme 14T, then first of all we will need to open the SIM tray, and to do this we need to use the eject tool that we can find inside the box, of course. Now over here at the bottom of the phone you should be able to find the SIM tray over here, and right next to it you should be able to find this hole. So we need to use the tool, put it into that hole, and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out. Do not put it into this hole because it is the microphone. After that, once the SIM tray pops out a little bit, you can use your fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray completely from the phone. And of course, on this side over here, we have the hybrid slot for either SIM2 or the SD card. So in our case, we need to use the SD card. Just match the shape and try to put it in. It should go in really easily. And then once it is in, and if it doesn't stick out at all, then you should be able to put the SIM tray back into the phone. So this is the front side. SIM1 is the front side. And we just put it back in. And push it with your finger. Make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything, in order to avoid causing damage. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.